What's up? We made it to IBS. We're gonna be showing you the coolest stuff we found. I got Slim Brick working with Matt, the Lady Plumber, and Even Raven Builders, all showing you their favorite stuff, so stick around, it should be pretty cool.
We're at the Weyerhaeuser booth. We were walking by and we saw Sammy the robot dog. And you guys know I'm a dog person, so we had to see what he was up to. All right, Sammy, what do you think about IBS so far? I don't speak your language, but I know you're a good boy.
We're going to be able to perform more inspections with this robot than we would with a human, and being able to get the reliable data. And really, it's all about augmenting our people, right? Mm-hmm. My friend Jim at work, his least favorite thing to do is walk around with a thermal scanner to scan. Like, there's 60 different inspection lines per press, and there's 5 presses.
Yeah.
That's 3. He doesn't want to do that. We're able to inspect each one of those individually using this robot, supply them with that data, so whenever there's a problem, instead of everybody running around trying to figure out what's wrong, we knew it was going to happen before it happened. We can fix it because he saw it. So he can alert with using AI to augment our employees' abilities is how we plan on catching up. Right? Or staying ahead.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right, we're at IBS at the Stiletto booth, and I'm with a product manager going to show off their brand new releases.
Yeah, so we have the custom hammers for Stiletto. They're going to be on our 15-ounce tie bone hammer. These are going to be dropping later this year, and we have a variety of colors to choose from, so we're showing them off at the show. They are a Cerakote coating, so it's going to be a lot more durable than like an anodized coating or any other kind of powder coat. It's used in like firearms and other materials that have custom colors. So we have a cool little build station here where you can choose whatever hammer you like and put the color grip and kind of make your own hammer that's unique to you.
So the one thing that makes Stiletto unique is they have replaceable grips. So with other hammers, you have to cut the grip off and throw it away. With theirs, there's a screw at the bottom. It just slides off. The other thing is you can choose between a milled face, a smooth face, or they have a cover for soft blow as well. So the new launch of the different colors is definitely going to be a game changer.
Then we're checking out Evolved Stone. Dom, what you got going on here?
This might seem sacrilegious, but I have a composite stone veneer that's going on with a finish now, right? So it's mortarless, and basically the system I have here is going up over framing, similar to siding. Yeah. I've got standard 7/16 OSB. I need a Type 1, Type 2 weather-resistant barrier, and the most important part is this rain screen, because I don't have the benefit of having mortar to really seal this up. So in order to mitigate, I'm putting holes in here, because what we're doing is mechanically fastening this with a 16 gauge stainless steel fastener. But I've got these open joints, so my rain screen with this hydrophobic fabric and this entangled mesh is creating a drainage gap to not allow any snow loads, water, bulk water, vapor to create any hydrostatic pressure to bring any moisture back into the wall. The most important thing is I want to protect the OSB. This stuff can't really hurt this. But I do want to protect the framing panel as best I can. Yeah. So it gives guys an option for a stone look. You're doing an accent, you're doing a water table. You don't feel like busting out the trowel and the mud. You've got something that you can you can sell a client on an accent wall. You can do fireplaces. You can do interior, exterior. I mean, it's a pretty versatile product.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Is it self-healing like roofing is, or can you ever see the nails, or how's that work?
You got to get really close to see the nails.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a major issue. What happens is, as the nail passes through this composite, there's a flash of heat, and it kind of almost welds itself in there, and it countersinks just below the surface, and then the color and the accent kind of washes it out to where you're not. Sure. It's a negligible amount that you're actually being able to see it. Yeah. You got to look. If your nose is on it, maybe you can see it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Hey guys, the Lady Plumber here. We're at the Studson booth at the International Builder Show 2025. I got Jordan here, and these hard hats are pretty awesome. So I just wanted to showcase them today because it's one of the top 10 things that I've seen here. So let's hear all about it.
Absolutely. Thank you. Studson, we're a company based in Oregon. We all come from action sports, looking to fill the gap in the industrial market with look, comfort, and protection ultimately. This is our full brim SHK1 helmet, ONSI Type 2 rated for all lateral sides and the top. Got Colroyd on the inside right here as our force absorbing material. Then Twice Me as an NFC chip that stores emergency medical info if you're unconscious on a job site. This is the helmet for you.
And super comfortable. I have. It's awesome.
Thank you.
Hi, Sarah Campbell from Sierra Pacific Windows. So I hear you guys are doing 10 of the coolest things at IBS. Well, I'm going to show you at least 3 today. First of which is our click glass. This is a click glass technology from Cardinal. At the touch of a button, the liquid crystals will go clear, and then when you push the button again, opaque. So what's really amazing is this is going to be great for maybe like your bathroom privacy windows, front door system, or if you even want to go bigger, a big great room in the back of your home and you want full privacy. This is really a crown jewel product. Think about your entire opening, one whole side, one big elevation. You can do whatever the heck you want in your opening. So we can span up to 20 feet tall in one direction with one of these lineals. Right now we're showing it at 14 feet. And I know you're pretty tall, and that's pretty good size still. Pretty much dream it up, bring it to us. We're going to be able to create whatever you want in that opening.
Aiden, how tall are you?
At least 8 foot.
Okay, 8 foot. Yeah.
So we're taking the old-fashioned patio slider. We just gave her a major makeover. This is our direct set patio slider. So the neat thing about this is that from a modern standpoint is you can do one giant direct set unit, and then you have your operable sliding patio slider. So again, the same idea of being able to take one complete opening somewhere in the back of your house, and you can create whatever ratio you want from the door. Wow. We can go up to 10 feet tall on this door, and depending on the structural needs, we can do 60 inches in one direction on the operable panel.
Thanks.
There you go.
Cool. It works.
Oh.
Very smooth.
I need air conditioning. Such a long trek. So I'm with Kevin Scott at the Fortress booth, and Scott's going to talk about this brand new product.
Yeah, this is our new tile tray support. This product allows you to install tile on your deck that wasn't really possible before. New siding product, 12 and 16 on center measurements. Brand new aesthetic that you can put in your outdoor living space.
Kev, give us your 5-second spiel on how it is working with it.
Well, really anything, the beauty of the Fortress system just from the jump is that they have pre-engineered layout on their ledger components, their spacer blocks, all their blocking, everything's 12 or 16 on center. So now you take a tray that is manufactured to fit in that 12 and 16 on center spacing. It gives us the ability to do, because we started doing these tile inlays and we had to manually block everything. And just to do a small section, we never would have had the opportunity to do like the size job that we kind of just went through. It would just be weeks of blocking. So I see a lot of inlays happening with this product. I see a lot of flexibility with this product beyond just laying tile. It's a weapon.
It would have saved me a bunch of time, I know that.
Yeah. It's just a thing. It's like the inlays, it's never the inlay that takes the time. It's always the blocking. So when we come up with a product, and I'm looking at this for double picture frames, because that last one we did, we had a staggered, like a pixelated edge, and we were able to just run the tray long, and like the decking can just land wherever it lands, get cut off. It's all solid backing. It takes a screw really good, just the same as the framing does. So
love it. Brand new from Fortress.
Hey guys, the Lady Plumber here with the LOCKJAW ladder grip at the International. Hey guys, the Lady Plumber here. We're at the LOCKJAW ladder grip booth at the International Builder Show 2025, and one of the top 10 things that I love about one of the top 10 things.
I love TikTok.
And we're here showcasing the top 10 things at the International Builder Show. So one of my most favorite things. So we're here showcasing some of the top 10 things that we love about the show, or that we've seen at the show. And one of them is the LOCKJAW ladder grip safety device. So I just want you to tell us a little bit about it.
So LOCKJAW ladder grip, basically a jaw that clamps over the lip of the gutter. Probably best if I demonstrate. Clamps over the gutter like such, and with one finger you can adjust this retaining bar here. Once that's nice and snug, can't go left, can't go right, and can't come back. Also designed to clip off on your belt so that you carry that up on the carabiner. Allows for one-handed application, so you keep your 3 points of contact on the ladder. and clamps down like that. Once you get used to using it, it's literally a 2 to 3 second process to clamp it on.
Awesome. Thanks so much. Ladder safety, super important. So love this thing.
Thank you.
IG Switch is changing the game for exterior railing. It's giving you privacy and transparency on demand. Works with our existing system, the spigots, the lighting, the connectors, all of it. Easy to buy.
Get it? IG railing.
I want to stop by because I actually use you guys' stuff. I love it and wanted to talk to you about it. See what
You
you're doing
love
here.
masonry.
Yeah.
You love brick, right? Yeah. Well,
the crazy stuff like this blue, green, and red, like the glazed
brick.
All that stuff
Yeah.
is crazy, man. That's cool.
Absolutely. And that's the thing is brick can be more than what you think, right?
Mm-hmm.
We love the traditional stuff. Red brick is great. That's what our parents, maybe our home was, or our grandparents, and we still make that. It's still popular. But yeah, you can have blue. You can have green, through the glaze process. So that's why we're here, though. We want people to think differently about brick and say, you know what? This is nothing like I expected. And you walk away thinking something totally different about brick than you came in. So this is our glazed brick. And you had mentioned this earlier as being something that stood out to you. So this is one of our IBS pre-launch exclusives. So we've not really even launched these into the public yet. But we wanted to have this at the show to tease and really get some reception, which sounds like we got it. But this is glazed brick. And essentially, this is thin brick that has this paint glaze on the top of it. The great thing about this is it can be used on the exterior. So there's tile that you might see like this, and that's great. Don't get me wrong. But the great thing about brick is you can use this on the exterior, and it's not going to fade like you might get with another type of product. Great thing too is inside. Think about all the cool things you could do with blue brick on the inside, green, red, and this is just the tip of the iceberg, guys. We've got a dozen or more of these different colors. So
Yes, at the LP booth, I'm with Kyle, and he's going to tell us about the LP siding.
Yeah, so we've got LP Smart Side here. This is the expert finish, and we've got a fiber cement product. Most people know about both of these. This demo here is just to demonstrate the durability, okay? If you're anywhere and you got kids, or if you're in a storm-prone area, you're going to get things hitting the side of your house. So here, you do this, Matt. Go ahead and lift that one up, all the way up, till it stops and let go. Okay, so there. And what a lot of people are going to say is there's nothing behind this wall. Why would you do that? A lot of people put rain screen products as we get more into building science. So there is the opportunity for your Hardy to be over top of this exact. Now go ahead and do this one right here. All the way up, man. No cheating. It's all about durability.
Hey guys, the Lady Plumber here. I'm at the International Builder Show 2025, and I have Dominique here with Ambiance, and we're just going to go over this beautiful fireplace here. I really love the look of it, and it was one of the coolest things that I've seen today. So why don't you tell us all about it?
Thank you. So this series of luxury fireplaces, they're made in France, in the south of France near Montpellier, and every one of them is made by hand.
Oh, wow.
So this is not factory like automation. It's all dedicated workmanship that is put into making this perfect. So this unit here, as you see it, you can have it burn wood or as demoed here in gas.
Okay.
So you can choose when you buy it. You can choose the different base. Like this is one showcasing logs to make it more design. You can make it shorter. You can also select the color. So if you want to match the color of your Ferrari in your garage, you bring the color chip and it will be matching exactly that color.
That's amazing.
A lot of versatility. So it's luxury, signature, exclusive for customers that really want to impress their neighborhood.
That's amazing. Thank you so much. It's absolutely stunning.
I'm with Aquafire by Lumina Products, and this is a fire from water. So have you ever seen water burn? Fire you can put your hand in. Because it's not hot. It's not steam. A lot of people think it's steam. What it is water vapor. And what you're seeing is the minerals in the water being refracted by the light. So it's not hot. It's not steam. I can put my phone right on it. Like that.
Dang.
And no condensation. Don't have to run gas to it. It takes, all you do is plug in a 1/4-inch PEX water line straight to your tap water, and plug it in a 15 amp outlet, and you've got fire.
I either just slipped in water or piss. Fellas, we don't need to piss on the ground in the convention center. Everybody's drunk already, and it's Tuesday morning. like 10:30. There's piss everywhere in there. Got it on my shoe. I'm praying to God that it was water. That's why I cuff my jeans. They're all making fun of me for cuffing my jeans. I show up to one construction show and the bathroom floor is covered in piss. So that's where the flood is.